Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over on how to create functions. In order to declare a function, we use the def statement. Use def followed by what you want to call the function. In this case, we're calling the function credentials. After that, you want to set the argument. You can set multiple arguments within the parentheses. These are basically storage units for what your code at the bottom will be fed into. Please don't forget the colon at the end of the statement. Okay, the most important part to remember when calling a function is to always remember how many arguments we have. We're going to feed Miguel into the function and run the code. Let's take it a step further and use 2 arguments. Please note that a comma is used before password instead of a plus sign. This prevents an error. Thank you for watching.